right here. You see the stainless steel cable still wrapped around the trees. And if you look over here, there's restaurant equipment back there. And we figure that's from Hooters from the beach. Because all the our equipment was accounted for. That's our file shed. 7 years of files. And this is all pristine. I even bonsai'd this to be an alligator head. Look at that. Crazy.
It's going to be polluted.
How are they going to get it out of there? Every day I walk down here, I see something new. It stinks. They figure there's still some bodies back there too. It only said 100 and 200 people. There's more like 1,000. Look at carpets. You can see the garbage line. That's how tall the water. That's how big the water was. 12 feet. So that neighborhood there is 3/4 gone. It used to be all houses along that street. Tore them all down now.
What happened to the people during the hurricane?
They weren't here. Nobody was really here.
So where the casualties came from? Where?
Main Island.
Main Island.
See those signs back there? See, around like Ohio, and I built those over the restaurant across the street. This used to be all pristine water.
Look at all that garbage now.
Looks the same all around.